Your guide to water damage restoration. In Winston-Salem, North Carolina, water damage in your Winston-Salem home can happen unexpectedly due to a burst pipe, heavy rain, or a natural disaster like a hurricane. Water invading your home is a scary situation, which is why it is essential to know what you are dealing with. In this blog, we talk about what can happen if you ignore water damage, as well as the different categories of water damage and how you can keep your Winston-Salem home safe from it. Ignoring water damage is a bad idea. Water can seep into walls, floors, and even your electrical system, which can be dangerous. Moreover, wet areas create the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew, which can cause allergic reactions, respiratory issues, and other health problems over time. Water can also compromise your home structure by warping the wood and causing the metal to rust. What are the different categories of water damage? There are three main categories of water damage, based on the source and how contaminated the water is. Category 1, clean water. This comes from a sanitary source, something like a broken water pipe, overflowing sink, or rainwater. Even though it is not dirty, you still need to dry it up quickly. If you don't, it can soak into wood or drywall, weakening your Winston-Salem home's structure. Category 2, gray water. This water is slightly more contaminated because it may come from a broken appliance like a dishwasher or a toilet overflow. Category 3, black water. This is the worst kind of water damage. Black water is highly contaminated and usually comes from sewer backups or river flooding. It can carry diseases, so it is often best to have professionals clean it up. What is the difference between mitigation and remediation? When you have water damage in your Winston-Salem home, you will hear about mitigation and remediation. Mitigation is what you do first. This immediate response is all about lessening the existing damage right away and preventing more damage from happening. It includes removing water-damaged items like carpets or drywall, pumping out the standing water, and using fans and dehumidifiers to dry everything out. Experts might also cover up windows or roofs to keep more water from getting in. Remediation is the next step, and it is about getting your home back to the way it was before water damage. It includes cleaning and sanitizing the affected areas. But if some parts of your home are too damaged, like parts of the floor or walls, those parts will need to be rebuilt or replaced. What is water damage restoration? Water damage restoration is what happens after mitigation and remediation. It is about getting your house back to a safe and welcoming condition. This means repairing or replacing damaged parts, cleaning things like carpets and furniture, and making sure there is no hidden moisture that could cause problems later on. Professional water damage restoration services in Winston-Salem, NC. If you are looking for experts in water damage restoration in Winston-Salem, you cannot go wrong with AdvantaClean. We offer quality and affordable water damage restoration services in the Triad area. We use the latest technology and non-invasive methods to survey the damage, identify the causes, and fix the root of the problem. Call AdvantaClean of the Triad at 336-464-7934 or use the link below.